Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make slime. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make this slime here. And it's really fun to poke and play with because it's really soft and stretchy. So yeah, let's get started. So first, the ingredients you'll need is a bowl, a mixing tool, PVA glue, a boric solution, but I'm going to use eye drops. So, and also body wash or shampoo or soap. But yeah, so let's get started. So first, you're just gonna add some glue, and this may take a while. So yeah, because I'm running out of glue. You need to wait a while. So I'll be right back after. Oh wait. So it's coming out slowly. So add how much slime you wanna make. Then add that amount of glue. And my mixing tool. So yeah, I just added it. So I'm just gonna show you guys the glue. So I'm just gonna go and get the body wash. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and so I added the body wash. So let's just start mixing. And for me, I use Diane body wash to do this. So yeah, and after you do that, just keep on mixing until you get this consistency right here. And then just add your boric solution. And then mix well. And you get this slime here. And oh my gosh, it got into it. That's fine. Then you're just gonna mix it until, oh my gosh, until you think it's just right. And just keep on adding the boric solution so it will not be as sticky. And if you want, you can add food dye or paint, but I won't because I want it to stay white for some reason. Yeah. And once again, just keep on adding until you think it's sticky enough, how sticky you want to be. Then add that much eye drop. So I think I'm done. So you can start kneading it and playing with it. And I think I add a bit too much body wash or eye drop, but that's okay because it's still pokeable and really fun to play with. And here's the other one. And here's the one I just made. And I'm just gonna mix them up together. And like thoroughly mush them up together. And it's a bit cold because but it's really fun to play with, so I really recommend you to try it. So there it is. So this is my slime video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.